She's having another go. Having another go at landing in a strong crosswind. Tokoroa Airfield. This will be interesting. It's blowing the camera around. Strong enough. Let's see how she gets on. Not an easy job. We've been flying the models here today. Done many good landings and one not so good. Here she goes.
She's doing bloody well. Get the wing down, keep it down, honey, keep it down. Whee, look at that! Get your bloody aileron! Look at her, she's got no bloody aileron down.
Will she stop before the end of the strip? That's the question. This is pretty close.
Yeah, what you do? Just swing left. Watch out, swing too left.
Off the end of the runway. That was a pretty marginal landing.
I'd say they'll have to go and clean the seats out first.
There could be a bit of upholstery cleaning required there. So now they're going to do a takeoff with the same wind that was quite difficult to land in. See what this looks like. Should be easy with the takeoff. Here we go. Picking up a bit. Windsock. Wind getting that one shelter there. Here we go. Ooh. Yeah, see that wind there, eh? Wrap up.